Look away from me. Look away from me. Look away from me.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Very hurt. Emotionally, physically, mentally.
Let me alone. Let me go. Yeah, they said she didn't have a fever.
Police were called to a chaotic family situation involving multiple children. As the situation continued to escalate and the adults became increasingly uncooperative, police had to make a quick decision to protect the children. What followed was an immediate removal from a home that was no longer safe. This is when police rescue kids from an insanely chaotic home where children were too afraid to speak. The first incident is that police rescue baby from highly incompetent parents.
Put your hand
I'll
behind
take
your
the
back.
test, sir.
What are you arresting him for?
What are you arrested
Stop
for?
resisting.
You don't have any.
In case you don't resist.
I work hard for this. I ain't got time to be pushed around like I'm a little dad.
You're driving too fast. You turn, the baby slips out and hits it headed on what?
That's what happened when he was driving.
On April 22nd, 2022, a witness placed a 911 call after witnessing a roadside argument involving a pickup truck, a young couple, and a baby.
Very hurt. Emotionally, physically.
So I was out running.
Yep.
And this truck came flying past me with someone hanging out the back of it.
Okay.
And then he stopped and yanked her out, threw her down. She was on the side of the road. She's up there over there, but
She's
she's
here?
only 19.
Is she hurt?
No, but there's a baby in the
Okay.
truck that she said slammed up against the glass, not only 9-pound baby.
Okay. Let's go check on the baby and the
The baby's
victim over
is
here.
in the truck.
Oh, the baby's in the truck?
Yes, he took off, but he also tried to run her down. It's a Ford F-150.
Where's the... I think she's right there.
He flew that way, they turned around and came back and went that way. But I don't know where it went because I was there with her.
And he has the baby.
The mother reports ongoing conflict during driving and expresses fear for the baby's safety.
Yes.
Where's the baby, ma'am? Do you know where to go? Who took the baby?
You seen me the other night, probably. No, it wasn't you.
It wasn't.
It wasn't you.
Was-
But I've seen you.
Were you living in that house right there?
Yup, this one right here.
Okay, where's the baby? Where did he go? What kind of truck was it?
You probably know him. You look familiar. You look like you've been to my house.
Do you need an ambulance?
I just don't want to live right now.
Okay, we're here to help.
Don't care. I'm very hurt. Emotionally, physically, mentally. Where is my baby is what I'd like to know as well.
So the guy driving, do you remember what he was a white male? About how
Yeah,
old?
and he's young too, maybe 19, 20.
I've never been away from her for this long.
What's her name?
My name? Dianis.
Diana? Do you need to see an ambulance? Where you hit you? Were you punched or anything?
Yes, we were both fighting. We had to fight because he was taking my stuff from me. That's why I don't have a phone. I don't have nothing.
He took your phone away from you? Were you trying to call 911?
I did call you guys.
Okay. So
And this too.
Witness accounts raise concern about reckless behavior and unsafe handling of the situation.
This too you see right here.
Who
Right
has
there. And this too right here.
Okay, alright. Who took the
And
baby?
how dare him take the baby when she's not safe?
Janice, right?
Yes, he's not safe with him. The baby's father.
What's his name?
Casey.
Casey what? What kind of truck was it?
The baby hit the glass of the side of the back of the seat. I strapped her in her chair, and that's when I started to open the side of the door because I just wanted to jump out. And that's when she seen me.
And where did this happen? Right there?
Yeah, she seen me. I wanted to jump out because my baby got hurt.
Is it a Ford F-150?
And you said he tried to run her over with the car. That's what it looked like to you.
She was in that grassy area
Yep.
and he came flying straight into it.
Was that after he pulled her out of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he took off and then he turned around
What
and
made
came
him not hit
flying
her?
back.
Did he turn? Did she jump out of the way?
He turned.
He turned?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know if he was he's probably just really trying to scare
And you
her.
last saw him going that way?
Officers document visible injuries on the mother and receive conflicting explanations from both parents.
He went that way and then he came back and he went this way. But I don't know which way he went after that because we were up under there.
Is he going back to...
Do you think that he's gonna go back there when he knows that that lady was gonna call the cops? He's not gonna go back there.
I know you've already spoken with the other officer, but I don't know what you said. Do you have any injuries on you?
Like this.
That looks like a bite mark. What is that?
Yes, he keeps on biting me.
Okay. How about this on your arm?
That was from...
Do you want to sit down?
I just wanna... Do you know what? I don't care.
Deanna's.
I don't even care to care for myself anymore. Because when I get treated like that, why should I even care?
Well, that's why we're here trying to help you. What happened today?
Just an argument
Okay. Over what?
over not safe driving, I guess.
Okay. You're driving or his driving?
We both were.
Okay. Where was the baby when this was going on?
The baby was in the back seat with me,
Okay.
but I didn't think that she would fly out of the car seat because she wasn't strapped in.
The father states he took control to protect the child and return home.
Taking too fast of a turn, the
Okay.
baby slipped out.
So you're driving too fast. You turn, the baby slips out and hits it headed on what?
That's what happened when he was driving.
Driver's side or passenger side?
Onto the driver's side.
It's not healthy for the baby.
What's going on?
Well, sassy mouth got
Because
into
I didn't like the way she was driving, so I told her to get out of the car, and I was gonna drive, and she didn't want to give me the duffel bag. I took the duffel bag from her and I went home because I wanted to take care of my daughter.
Where is she right now?
She's inside the house right now.
Daughter?
Not Diana's. My daughter is.
Mind if I go take a look at her?
Yeah, it's fine.
We got rescue coming too, just to...
Did you guys see already? Hey, what's your name again?
You got a destination right now.
Casey? Yeah, Casey.
Yeah.
Deanna's?
Where did my witness go? She left me.
It's okay. Let me take pictures of your marks, okay?
Right now,
Where's right there for the fingers?
And this bruise has went away, but this bruise was because of him, because I called the cops that day and they came to my house.
Okay.
And they said to leave for a couple of days.
It's okay. We're here to help.
Where's your girlfriend?
I had no idea. But like, the way she drive today, she almost got us in an accident, and she got us in trouble with some other family.
Hey, so I need you to step out into the room. Wow, officer drive by. Just gotta have an officer drive by just to see. I saw that. I know you already told me that it was you, so. I thought we was working on getting this.
Like I tried to tell her not to do what she did, and she started yelling at somebody out of the road.
Police assess the vehicle child safety conditions and statements regarding seatbelt use.
Because someone was yelling, like we almost got into an accident. And then the kid's mom came up because he busted his teeth on the front dashboard of our car.
And where's that kid?
That kid's back at home. He's back at home. He's safe. He's okay. But then we got up to here, and I was like, let me drive. She got all mad. She's like, what? Let me drive, blah, blah, blah. And she started snapping. I was like, give me the duffel bag so I can take care of our daughter. I was like, give me the duffel bag, because the duffel bag carries all of the medications, her center energy, and all that stuff. They stopped yelling at me. I'm not trying to deal with all this stuff. Like, I'm not trying to go home and deal with all this stuff.
Your baby wasn't in the car at the time?
My baby was in the car when I pulled over, but I didn't slam on the brakes and have her hit the windshield. I stopped, but then I got out.
Look straight ahead, all right? Look straight over there. All right.
I don't got nothing on me. Can I hit my baby?
Not yet. Just let this car drive by, all right? So do you see that guy right there? I'll drive past. He won't be able to see you. All right, I'm sorry. What'd you say? That's him? Okay. All right.
Is Diana, is she taking any drugs tonight?
I don't know if she's taking any drugs tonight, but I know she's taking drugs in the past, and I don't take no drugs. I'll smoke marijuana though. That's my medication. I got a medical card for that.
As far as Diana, she was the one driving, correct?
Yeah, she was the one driving, and so I got over there on Octopus to drive, and I had to take over.
And that's when y'all got at the argument over there?
Yeah, because I took the bag from her.
Hey, they need to talk to you over there.
They're asking questions about baby falling and stuff.
No, she didn't fall.
That's what I said. Yeah,
She fell a bump on her head because she sleeps on the wrong side of her head.
yeah.
Oh, so she didn't fall? No, she didn't fall. Nothing happened to her. No trauma happened to her.
That's
Nothing at all happened to her. She was in the back seat the whole time. Diana just wants to come in because she wants me to go to DCF. Which y'all can take the baby. I don't care.
car was she?
I love my baby. But if y'all want to take it, y'all can take it.
Yeah, this truck right here. Truck there? Yeah.
If y'all, I'm telling her.
She's okay. She's not knowing it.
Like, why she want to make up the stories? Like, I love my daughter. I try to go have a good day today. It's the weekend. I got work tomorrow. Like, every other weekend. I'm tired of having work.
You see anything like weird in the car at all?
No, I didn't. I mean, it looks like there's like some formula or something.
No blood or anything.
No, it looks like cereal or something.
Okay.
Cereal.
John, he said it was some other kid that was in the vehicle that possibly like hit their mouth on the dashboard. That child was not involved whatsoever.
Okay.
So
That makes sense. The kid was probably eating cereal because there's cereal all over the dashboard.
So, okay.
I just want to have a good relationship.
I hear that.
I don't want to stress. I don't want to argue.
What's the name of the kid that was in the car, the other kid?
I can't get that out.
Yeah, you need to give it out.
Do I?
Yes.
No, that's not my kid though. His head. No, how am I supposed to give it out?
Who's the parents?
Jose or something?
They said they could not find any injuries on her.
That's great.
So that's good.
You better be lucky about
so-
that too.
So somebody cut you off. Is that what you just said?
Yeah, somebody
you're
was yelling
driving?
at us, yeah.
And what happened?
No, I just slammed on my brakes.
Yeah.
That's
and
it.
What'd that cause? No crash?
No, no crash.
Is that
He
when
told me to pull over so he could start driving.
Okay.
When we switched spots,
So he was driving?
yeah. Well, he wanted for me to switch spots because I was unsafe driving according to him because
Okay.
of that person.
Okay. And you said she fell out because someone took a turn too fast?
Yeah.
And that was Casey?
Yeah, he took the turn too fast.
So was he making a right-hand turn?
No, to the left.
A left? And she hit her head on the driver's side?
Yeah.
Is the car a single cab, dual cab?
Two like that,
Yeah.
like just like your car.
So
The car seat was right next to me.
in the front.
No, in the back.
Back.
Yeah, in the back of the seat. And she flew towards me. To this way.
So she flew towards the driver's side of the truck while making a left-hand turn?
Yeah, over to this way to the left.
Okay. All right, I'll try and
How does that happen though?
I'll try and wrap my head around that in a minute. We had a witness say that as the truck was coming up here, your legs were hanging out.
Yeah.
Like your door was open, your legs were hanging out. How did that happen?
Because I wanted to jump out because the baby got hurt.
You tried to jump out?
Field sobriety testing and questioning are conducted to evaluate impairment.
With the baby, or you were going to leave the baby in the truck and you tried to jump out? How fast was the truck going when that happened?
About 20, 25.
About 20 miles an hour? Okay. Did you think he was going to run you over?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
So, different challenging,
Yeah. Put her through like some kind of field sobriety test. I don't think we can do a DUI, but just determine how impaired she might be. I think that's probably good enough for this.
So hear me out, all right? How much have you been drinking?
Not much.
Okay.
Less than him?
Are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises to?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Okay. Cool. It's just determine your alcohol content, right?
Right.
So
You guys probably did that to him too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely do that to him. Okay. You're not gonna get charged for a DUI. I'll tell you that much right now. I'm just gonna determine your alcohol content. Okay.
Right, we're gonna walk across this line.
The other kid, was he sitting in the front seat with an adult?
You're sitting in the front seat with an adult with a seatbelt on.
Okay, so who all was sitting in the front seat? I need to know. I know
Her.
Diana was driving.
Yeah, Diana was driving.
Yeah.
Then the little boy.
He's in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, and then who was sitting next to the little boy?
Nobody.
It was just you guys in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then somebody wanted to yell out the car that we were doing something wrong. And she's paying attention to them. I'm like, don't pay attention to them. They're no problem. And she almost got into an accident paying attention to them. And she slammed on the brakes and the little boy went into the front. Because she didn't know. She's beginning to drive, you know what I mean?
So she was just practicing driving at the time.
Right, yeah, she was just practicing driving. And then somebody slammed on the brakes in front of her. And she said, boom! And the kid hit his teeth. He started crying. Everything went crazy. Everything was freaking crazy. I was going crazy. I was flustered. I didn't know what to do. I ain't never been in a car or something like that with a little kid like that. You know what I mean?
And that's when you got out of the car and...
No. We dropped the kid off. His parents picked him up. And then I got out of the car when she started driving down the road over here. I told her, get out of the car, let me drive. I was like, get out of the car, let me drive. Like, you need to get out of the front seat. I can't have you be driving.
You'll have to do it faster.
Nope. Nope, then take.
And I can spin just like this.
Go ahead.
That's fine.
Go ahead. Okay. This exercise, okay? So the next exercise, so we're gonna stand right here again. So feet together, arms to your side, stitches
Oh, okay. No.
on the ground. You'll look at your toe, right? Count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, all right?
Arrests are made, and Child Protective Services are notified to ensure the baby's safety.
You understand that?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Count out loud.
101, 102, 103, 104, 118, 119, 120.
All right, we're done here. You did a great, okay? Now, place your hands behind your back.
You're arresting me?
No, not for DUI, all right? So you made alarming statements, right? So you wanted to...
Yeah, because I do. Because why would he injure my baby?
Okay. I completely understand. The dilemma is...
Unsafe driving. And him letting me unsafe drive in his car.
So here's the thing. You had some drinks. You and Casey went out, right? But you did not buckle in Valencia, right?
Neither of us did, right?
Right. So you're gonna get charged with child endangerment, okay? That's what you're gonna do.
Really? Why can't he get in charge with that? Like he was the one in the back.
He's getting charged too. Okay?
Sure, okay. Well, I'm only 19 years old. This is my first time listening to the Philippines.
Okay. Sure.
Well, I'm just making sure that he's getting charged with this too because
Yeah, trust me.
I'm just making sure that I went to the back.
Okay.
And he's the one that left her.
Okay.
For yelling at me. Gay. That's your name, right?
Yeah, sure. That's how you pronounce it in English. Let me turn on the AC.
All right, let's do it. Turn around, put your hands
No, sir. I'll take the personality test. I'll take the test. I'll take the test, sir.
Put your hand behind your back.
Take the test, sir.
Put your hand
I'll
behind
take
your
the
back.
test, sir.
What are you arresting him for?
What are you arrested
Stop
for?
resisting.
You don't have any.
In case you don't
You don't have
resist.
anything.
Resist! Don't go! Resist!
What did I do wrong? I didn't do nothing wrong.
Casey, don't resist!
Nico,
Hey, get your dog. Get your dog. Get your dog.
what did I do wrong?
Hey, sir, back up.
He tricked him.
Hey, back
Trying
up.
to get her.
Back up.
Why would you guys
I
do
didn't do
this?
nothing wrong. I just said, why you arresting me? Get this on video. I asked you, why are you arresting me? I got
You
work
said you were
tomorrow.
not demanding that he
I
take the
got
test.
work tomorrow.
Sir, would you please talk to me?
He's under arrest for
I
domestic
know, would you
battery.
please?
Domestic battery. Battery. Hey, stand up. Okay?
I ain't got time for this. I got work in the
Domestic battery
morning.
against who, sir?
Y'all boys act like y'all insult me.
Alright.
Just let me go to work tomorrow. I need money for my baby. What do you think that girl's gonna make money for my baby? You think $500 is gonna do something in child support in the government fees? I need my money for my baby. I ain't do. I let a stupid ass girl drive my car. She should be behind the wheel. And I ain't gonna be able to pay that shit tomorrow. Y'all ass. Let me see.
Hey. You serious? Get out. Get out of the car.
Yeah, bro, I'm tired of sitting behind my back. They trying to arrest me for no reason.
Right there. Right there.
He arrested me for no reason. It's like, what the hell, bro?
Calm down.
I'm tired of this shit, bro. I work hard for this shit. I ain't got time to be pushed around like I'm a little dad.
He's a nice guy. He's not
I've been number
nice,
two.
but damn, he's the one who's in charge of
Please
him.
listen to what they're saying to you. You're gonna make it worse. You're gonna pick up more charges.
I'm missing $100 out of that shit. Because she want to drive my truck and treat me the way she wants to.
She's gone. She's gonna be gone.
Yeah, I know, and she don't go.
She's going to
She
jail.
did that shit on purpose.
Hey, you know she's in jail tonight too, right?
Yeah, sure, my ass.
Let her out. Not let her out.
Do you have any questions for me?
Casey just wants to see her before he leaves. Can he look at her?
No, I'm not gonna do that right now.
Huh?
I'm not gonna do
Oh,
that
can I
right
go
now.
down to the gate?
What's that?
Through the gate?
some water?
No, I know you guys are trying to do right by him, but he's not allowed to consume anything while he's with me. When he gets to the jail, they can give him water there. So I called DCF and I let them know that the child's with you guys, if not later tonight, then probably tomorrow. Just to make sure that
You can't get bailed out tonight.
You have to call the jail.
you can call
and
the
find out.
jail and ask them. Come on out, we'll give it a shot. But if he starts getting worked
No,
up
he was
about
just
it,
out of the car and I got him
Right,
socks
right.
and everything.
okay, if he starts getting worked up about it, we won't be able to do it.
Okay.
Give her certain meds twice a day, and then one type of med just once a day. If she dies, it's not my fault. It's these people's fault.
Casey, stop it.
It's these people's fault.
Stop it. Stop, please. Just please hang tough.
I tried my best.
You can blame her, not them guys. They're doing their job and you know it.
I got told if I took a breathalyzer test, if I didn't, I get slammed to the ground. That's what I got
You
told.
shouldn't have ran.
That's pretty messed up.
You shouldn't have ran.
Shouldn't have ran for what? Because I don't have to take a breathalyzer test. It's not
That's
against
not
my
what you
will.
wanted, Casey.
It's not against my
I'm gonna throw
will.
the seatbelt over here,
All
all
right,
right?
Casey. I love you, Casey.
It's not against my will. I don't have to do that unless you got a court warrant.
It wasn't about that.
And no, it was. They love to do that.
Casey, be calm.
Calm, I'm going to jail to talk to the probation officer.
You'll be out.
I'm going back on probation, okay?
The mother was charged with child endangerment for driving after drinking and failing to secure the baby in a car seat properly. The father was charged with child abuse related to unsafe handling of the infant during the roadside altercation. He was also charged with domestic battery based on evidence of physical injury to the mother and resisting arrest, while Child Protective Services took steps to ensure the baby's safety. Remember, poor judgment during stressful situations can quickly put others at risk, especially children. Child safety laws exist to prevent harm regardless of intent or emotional circumstances. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. The situation escalated because no one stayed calm or responsible. It's scary how fast a bad decision can endanger a child. I'm glad police stepped in before it got worse. I think this situation was already intense. The BodyCam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when irresponsible mom busted after leaving two kids to grab McDonald's.
Walmart, and I had got something to eat. I was supposed to get groceries, but I didn't get groceries.
You said you did.
Already made the decision and you left knowing that there was no adult to your present to watch your
I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it.
On April 10th, 2025, neighbors find two young children wandering outside an apartment late at night. Caller reports no adult present while their mother went grocery shopping at midnight.
Yeah, they said she didn't have a fever.
Babies in her house right now, but the apartment, no signs of the mama. The neighbor came and told me, say, it's two little girls at a door and they crying and screaming money. And I came out to see what was going on, and I see the two little girls was standing at the door crying, but I was scared to go inside, you know, to see. But I see the camera was missing off her door and her car not out here, so I don't know. I didn't go inside. I don't know. So my sister do got the two little girls, but we still don't see any signs of the mama.
Do you usually see her?
I see her in the daytime.
Yeah.
Well, let's
Yeah,
go
but
check
I
out the
didn't see
place
her.
that has an open door the kids
It's
came
a-
out of. Just hang out.
West Palm Beach Police. West Palm Beach Police.
Police attempt to locate the mother. Initial canvass of the building and witnesses confirms kids were left alone.
Get in here.
How long has your neighbor been living here?
I'm not sure. She been a minute though.
Been a minute?
Yeah.
Do you know roughly what car she may be driving?
I think she got a Nissan something, Central something.
You know, and she normally stays here with her and the kids? No other adults?
Not that I know of.
So, okay. You guys haven't heard anything that would cause her to like panic and run or anything? No? So right now the two kids are in your apartment?
Yeah,
okay. We got them. Alright. Hey man, I'm really sorry to wake you up like this. You don't stay in an apartment or know anyone that stays in an apartment?
And for someone stays there.
Do you know who she is?
I don't know her name though.
You don't know her name?
No.
You don't know where she went? Because her 2 kids were left home alone.
Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah, and the kids got out.
Normally she be right here parked.
Parked right in front of you?
Yeah, she be normally parked right in front of me.
Do you know what time she left at?
No, when I came here, I think I've been sleeping there for about an hour or so.
About an hour or so, and she wasn't here?
She was here during the time before I went to sleep. The car was here.
Oh, and so when you pulled here and parked, the car was here?
Yeah.
And then you kind of went to sleep and you didn't see her since then? Okay. You're not in trouble or anything like that. I was going to sit there and say, we're trying to find out where she's at. Why she would leave her 2 kids behind.
All right.
All right, sir. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
You have a good night, man.
You too.
Hello?
Hello, hi. Is this Mariah?
Yes.
Yes, we're waiting for you so that we can leave. You got the children here.
Yes, I am. I'm sorry. I went to go to the store, and I just left for like a couple of seconds, okay? I haven't been gone long.
Okay, no worries. We just gotta go.
I work from home.
Hello?
Yeah, I work from home, so everything I gotta do after 9.
Okay, no worries.
So I just wanted to...
Officers contact the mother by phone. She says she went to get gas and something to eat and was returning.
clarify that. Like, I was only gone for a second. Did they walk out?
They walked out and they walked out and the neighbors saw them. So it's all good. We just got to make sure that they go to you so that we can, leave.
Okay.
We can't because, they're not the...
I told my dad to come there just in case.
Okay. How long are you going to be here, though?
I'm like 20 minutes.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. We'll be here waiting.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Car was right there at 10, 11, but then my camera skipped, and then at 10:35 wasn't there.
Hey, just 14. The mom's car has been gone since at least 10:35.
26, we got a hold of her. She's about 15, 20 minutes out, and she's on her way.
Now, before we ask questions, we Miranda.
Mariah. Yeah, and that's my cousin.
Mariah.
Sure.
Alright.
I'm so, it's
No, you good. You good.
Let's go.
Just listen.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I'll answer your question. All right. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes. And
Interview clarifies timeline. Mother left between 10:40 and 1100 p.m. Claims she would only be gone briefly and that she has cameras.
I'm sorry? Just listen to me. I'm going to read this and I'm going to explain everything, all right?
Okay, don't take my kids, please.
Just give me 1 second, okay? You have the right to the presence of a lawyer in the choice before you make any statement during the question.
Okay, yes, I do.
Okay.
I do.
Just let me get through this, and then we'll get to it, okay?
Okay.
All right. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
For any statement can be may be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
With that, with your rights in mind, do you want to talk to us?
Yes. Okay. I worked from 9 to 5. Okay, I just started a job.
Okay. Not
9 to 5. I work from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I needed to go just get groceries right quick and get some gas and do other stuff. I don't have time during the day. Even though they're at daycare, I only get 30 to 45 minutes of break time.
Okay. What store did you go to?
I went to Walmart, got some gas. Cause this one right here closed early.
Hi.
That's my auntie.
Give us 1 second.
I went to the one in Palm Beach Gardens.
You went to Walmart?
I got gas.
Okay, you went
I
to
got gas before I left.
Around what time?
10, 11.
10, 11?
Yes, like it wasn't like long.
The Walmart, you were at 10. You were at 10.
Yeah.
10, 11, you were at Walmart.
Yeah, but I got there. Yes, I had to go get gas. Got there real quick before. I don't know, like 10ish, like close to being 11. It's right there. The gas station's right there.
Mother explains she works early, was trying to run errands during a short break, and says she expected a relative to be available.
So I wasn't gone long. I was just out trying to handle some stuff. That's all I was trying to do. They were asleep. I have cameras in there. My other daughter, she's sick. She has a cold. It's cold out here, correct? I wasn't trying to bring her out here. I was being considerate. Don't get me wrong. I was being considerate and I was being understanding.
So what time did you say you left?
I got ready, got dressed, took a shower, maybe like 10:50. 10:50? Because it was between 10 and 11. It was between 10 and 11.
You left here at 10:50.
Yeah, like 10:50, 10:40-ish.
Okay.
Like
and then
around
that's
there.
when you went to
Get gas.
Okay.
Then I took a shower.
And then
I went to the store, went to Walmart, and then I went to go grab something to eat because I was already hungry.
Where'd you grab something?
Like I think I went to McDonald's.
They're asking her a couple questions. Once she's done, then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
So in the meanwhile, if you want to hang out over there real quick.
Okay.
Thank you.
My dad was supposed to come over, but he bailed on me like last minute.
Was he there when you left?
No.
So no one was there when you left?
No, he was supposed to come, but he bailed on me last minute like he always does. He always
So even
says
though
that.
you said he wasn't coming, you still left them?
Oh, I told my dad, I said, hey, like, I'm going to be going to the store. I'll be right back. That's why I said my dad was coming.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. So the question was, even though he wasn't
Even though he
here,
bailed on you.
you still left.
I needed groceries. I don't have barely any groceries.
When we called, where were you at?
When I called, I was on the highway. When my auntie called me, I was on the highway. I was heading back.
Heading back from?
I'm heading back from where I was.
Where were you?
After I went to the store, got some food. I'm sorry. I went to go to drop off some food at my friend's house because he had asked for some food. So I dropped off some food and I said I was heading home.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
after McDonald's, you went to go drop off food.
Yes, and that's it.
I have a question for you real quick. So just for clarification purposes, you went to get food at McDonald's, you went to the Walmart to get groceries.
No, I went to go get gas.
Gas.
My gas.
Okay.
I was already
gas.
on E, so I went to go get some gas. I already planned on getting gas. I just never had gotten gas. I was supposed to get gas yesterday.
Okay, so you got gas and then you went to?
I went to Walmart to get
Did you come back home and drop your groceries off or anything you purchased at Walmart?
Yes, I think. No, I did not. I did not.
So there's no groceries inside your car from Walmart?
No.
So you didn't purchase anything from...
Investigating officers probe whether groceries were purchased and confirm children were unsupervised while sick.
Walmart.
You said if I purchased anything? Yes, I did. I had got some food, some.
So that's in your car right now, though?
Some little bit of food?
The groceries that you purchased that you had to go out to the store for?
No.
So you didn't get groceries at Walmart?
No, I was supposed to go to Walmart. I stopped at Walmart, didn't go to Walmart, and I had got something to eat. I was supposed to get groceries, but I didn't get groceries.
You said you did?
I was supposed to get groceries, but I didn't get groceries. Because I have the bag right here. I have the bag right here.
McDonald's?
Yes.
Okay.
I ate my food.
So after you dropped off food at your friend's house, that's when you had a call from us and you started heading back?
Yes. Mentally, I needed to get out because I was already stuck in the house for almost 10 hours.
Okay. So 10:40 to 12:40.
10:30. I left 10. Yeah. So
okay.
10:40.
So between 10 and 11.
Yeah.
And then you arrived, but you only arrived because we called you, correct?
I was already coming back.
Oh yeah.
I was already on my way back.
Okay.
I text when she called me, I said, Auntie, I'm already on the way back. I kept the baby gate locked and I made sure everything was secured. I had my cameras. There was supposed to be a Ring camera right there. So that probably would have notified me that y'all was there.
Did they notify you when we were in there checking?
No, it didn't.
No? Okay. The other question I'm going to ask, I see that you're very prepared with everything like that. You said your dad, right, was supposed to come?
My dad, William.
But then he backed out last second?
He's always...
Officers explain risks, choking, swallowing medical needs, and notify mother she will be placed under arrest for child neglect. DCF is alerted.
Okay, but then you still decided that you're going to make sure to check
I
your payment
let him
closed?
know, like, hey, Dad, this is what I'm going to do.
So you already made the decision and you left knowing that there was no adult here present to watch your kids, correct?
Yes, but I kind of had to. There was no way I would have to do it in the morning because then it would have been another day going by. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Now, your kids don't have any fevers, right? They just have the cough?
Yeah. They said she didn't have a fever.
Okay. So, but 2 days sick, unknown fever, and like that, but you haven't called and scheduled an appointment for a pediatrician?
That's what I did. That's what I did today. So, they both have an appointment.
What day?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
At what time?
9:30. So yeah, that's what I was supposed to be taking them tomorrow. That's literally it, and I was just...
Face the car.
I do apologize for this, but you are being placed under arrest for child neglect.
Okay.
Okay.
How long would I be?
You're going to go to jail tonight. You can bond out in the morning.
Okay.
However, DCF will update your kids though.
Today?
Yep.
And when will I get them back?
Whenever you go talk to DCF, and they'll go do a study check to make sure that your house is okay.
Okay.
And they may, if your aunt is still here, when they get here, they may turn the kids over to her.
I mean, I've been in DCF and I'm not a bad mom.
Mother is taken into custody. Officers secure keys, personal items, and outline next steps.
No, trust me, sweetie, please don't take this as we think you're a bad mom. It's just, however, that the time frames and everything that we have.
Phone?
Yeah, you can take everything you want. You can take your phone, you can take your watch.
Can I talk to my kids, please?
I don't want to mess them up right now, okay? I don't want them to see you like this. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'll tell you your aunt, okay? She's gonna go to jail for child neglect.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, sis. You can listen if you want to.
Yeah, it's fine. So she's gonna go to jail for child neglect. The fact that you have a 2-year-old and younger here home alone, and that she has time between the early morning of daycare to the time she starts her work to go and run her errands, she is now using this time knowingly left the kids without an adult present.
Okay.
And the fact that who knows what could have happened. They could have got something, swallowed something, choked, whatever. So, okay.
Okay. So what about
so
him?
DCF has been notified already.
Okay.
But would you be willing to take custody of the kids tonight if the DCF's okay with that?
Yeah, if you bring them, yes, I can take them home. I can take them.
Okay, so I'll make sure that we get your
We're
information.
at my dad's house.
Your dad's house?
Yeah.
The dad supposedly she's saying is supposed to watch.
No,
kids
my
tonight.
dad.
Oh,
which
your
is
dad.
her granddad, her grandfather.
Oh, well, I apologize. You look very young. So, okay. We're not allowing her to see the kids. I don't want the kids to see her like this.
This is.
Yeah.
Can I go over there?
Yeah, you can go. You just can't go approach them. You can go to like right here. Yeah.
When I get bundled up tomorrow, can I see my kid? Where do I go to see my kids?
So no. So I told her what's going to happen. DCF is going to have contact with her. I'll make sure they reach out to her to help you out and go from there. Okay.
I get them.
Okay, so
But I
I'm
can't
just
get
staying in
them
jail
now.
tonight.
Tonight until tomorrow morning until you post bond. Yeah. Keys to the car, to the apartment, and her purse with all her IDs and stuff.
Thank
in it,
you
okay?
so much.
Her Apple Watch is in there too. Okay. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna make sure you got no contraband on you. And we leave here, we go to the county jail. Anything that they find contraband there within, it's a felony charge.
Okay, yeah, I don't have anything. Trust me, I'm not a bad person, y'all.
The mother was charged with child neglect for leaving 2 young children unsupervised late at night while she ran errands. Criminal charges referred to the prosecutor DCF will conduct an investigation to determine custody placement and release return of the children. Depends on DCF and court outcomes. Remember, leaving very young children alone even briefly creates real safety risks and can lead to criminal charges and child welfare intervention. If childcare plans fall through, call a neighbor, family member, or delay the errand and document arrangements when possible. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Glad the neighbors checked on them. That could have ended much worse. She says she was only gone a minute, but minutes matter when kids are sick and unsupervised. Hope DCF helps the family get stable care so this doesn't repeat. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the BodyCam and tell us if you would have done the same. The next incident is when irresponsible parents leave lifeless toddler on family's doorstep.
Beautiful's been dead for quite a while. So that's what we're trying to figure out.
What do you mean quite a while?
Like maybe more than a day. So we're trying to figure out what happened as in terms of how this child passed away.
On July 10th, 2021, police responded to a harrowing situation regarding a lifeless toddler found at a grandparent's doorstep. Police discovered that the baby was dropped off by the parents and drove off immediately, forcing the grandparent to drive the baby to the hospital.
How are you? Oh, this is Thomas. Can you tell me what happened?
We're gonna. Sorry for your condolences, all right? Sorry for your loss, okay?
Yes.
Now, you probably answer these questions. You're gonna get answered again and again and again, okay? So, just bear with us, and we're gonna try to get through this the best that we possibly can.
That's right. Again, my apologies for your loss. Are you Takesha? Yes. Okay. Tell me what happened, Takesha.
She's heard a knock on the door after she came in.
And what time was this?
This morning.
So this morning.
So you came in, you heard the knock on the door?
She did.
I came in from work. Not even 5 minutes later, it was a knock at the door.
Oh, after you, okay.
By the time I
The family member explains there were no adults present, no vehicle nearby, and the child was unresponsive, leading them to rush to the hospital.
got to the door, it was just her. She was just sitting out there in her carrier. Nobody was out there, no car, nothing. Like they just left her just sitting there on the porch. And she was already outside on my porch when I walked outside. And when I picked her up, her nose was already bleeding and she had been peeing all over me and everything.
So you picked her up out of her
Yes,
carrier?
I picked her out of the carrier to see like what was on her body, what was wrong with her, anything.
Okay.
But when I picked her up, she was just limp.
Yeah,
Like,
we
she
just
went limp.
came.
So I just got in the car, said, "Mom, we gotta go, we gotta go." I just put her in the car, got in the back seat. I was holding her, and we just came to the hospital.
Where's the car seat? Is that the front door? Where
No,
you,
it's inside the house
It's
because
inside.
I just picked her. Where is it?
It gotta be outside. Cause
Okay, well I just picked her up out of it.
Okay, so let me just make sure I got this correct. Come back.
Officers clarify family relationships and confirm the individuals interviewed are relatives of the child's father, not the parents.
The front door because you heard a knock on the door. Once you open the door again, you saw the baby in the car seat. You saw the baby had blood on her nose.
All right, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Is that her blood brother right here?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Same father, same mother?
Yeah, they got the same father, different mom.
Oh, same father, different mom. Okay. What is your daughter's name?
I don't have one daughter. Her name is Najee.
Najee. So,
The mother?
who's the mother?
That's not her daughter.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's not my daughter. Tone is
Beautiful's mom. Yeah, Tone is not my daughter. No. I only have my daughter. This is Najee.
And how's you related to him, to the little?
I'm her grandmother. I'm her auntie. And that's she's the aunt.
Okay, so the daddy is your son?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. This is the sister, Tone's sister.
I'm the grandmother.
How you
And
doing?
the other grandmother.
Hello, hello.
You want to take them in the room right here?
I'm gonna talk to one of them at a time.
Okay.
How you doing, sweetheart? I'm good. I'm sorry to keep you guys here, but obviously we have to find out what's going on, right? My name's Detective Weiner, like I told you before. Are you the family to the father or to the mother?
To the father.
Gotcha. What's your date of birth?
Sister.
Tell me what happened today, in your own words.
So I got to work or whatever. Everything was fine. Nobody had called me, no nothing.
Yeah.
But I clocked out early because my stomach was hurting, so I was gonna go home and use the bathroom and clock back in.
Yeah.
So not even 5 minutes of me getting home, I hear a knock at the door.
Okay.
So I go to the door. By the time I get to the door, there's no car, nothing. Nobody's there.
Witnesses describe the child's condition at discovery and state they had not been regularly involved in caring for the toddler.
But this baby just sitting there.
Okay,
She was
so you didn't go home and find the baby. Someone knocked on the door, and when you walked in, there was no baby out there. You walked
No.
by the park. Okay.
No, and
Now I
nobody was even
understand a
out
little
there.
better. Now I understand a little better. So explain to me what the baby looked like when the baby saw it.
When I seen her in her carrier, I seen the blood coming from her nose.
Okay, so you saw, I'm sorry, blood you said?
Yeah.
Where was blood?
Her nose.
Her nose. Blood was coming out of her nose? Was there blood anywhere else on her body?
Nope. Just
And you
her
said you
nose.
saw purple lines on her face, right? Where else? Anything else that looked?
They was on her, the lines was on her forehead.
Okay.
Like she was like laying on her arm or something for a long time or something, but it was something purple on her arm as well.
What was she wearing?
Nothing.
She was completely
She was
naked?
completely naked.
Not a diaper, nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. Those were the injuries that you saw to her? Any other injuries that you saw? Or anything else that looked funny?
No.
Okay. So you said you brought her inside?
No, I
Okay.
stood right there at the
Okay.
door and I was just like, Mama, help, we need to get her some help, we gotta get her
Okay.
some help. So when she first came out, she didn't
And you
even
knew
know
who she
the
was
baby
right away, right?
Yeah, but
Oh,
my
you
mama
didn't.
didn't know who she was right away.
Okay.
I had to tell her it's Butte, she needed help.
Okay.
So we just got in the car, rushed her to the hospital.
Do you ever care for this baby at all? Does your mom ever care for this baby? Like
They
watch
really
her?
don't allow us to.
Oh,
so
why
it
not?
was weird that you just dropped her off to
Yeah,
us, but you
yeah,
don't
that's
even
weird.
allow us to keep
Why don't
her.
they allow you?
Investigators attempt to contact the child's parents, but receive no response. Concerns increase about delayed medical care.
Because they go with them, her grandparents. I mean, her
Were
side
those
of the
the people
family.
who just walked in?
Yes, that's her side of the family.
Gotcha.
be
How
with
did they
her.
find out what happened?
That's what I said. But
Okay.
they won't even answer the phone for us.
Oh, that's the person who asked me why I need to interview y'all?
Yeah, her sister. That's her sister.
Okay, gotcha. So does your brother, his name is Charquez, does he care for her? Do they have like equal custody?
Yeah,
how does that work?
It's co-parenting.
But they're not together.
50-50.
They're not together, right?
No.
Did you try to call her?
Numerous times.
He's not.
Nobody won't answer.
Does
his phone was ringing, her phone went straight to voicemail.
You think that he gets her on the weekends, but you're not sure?
I'm not sure if she get her on the weekend and he get her the weekday, or I'm not sure exactly how that go.
Gotcha.
I don't know.
When's the last time you seen Beautiful?
Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Father's Day because he brought her over there.
Did she look like she was, in any type of distress or anything like that? No.
She was a happy baby.
Yeah.
Happy little girl. She never. I mean, her like they love her. Like they love her. That's why I don't even know what's wrong.
People love kids, but sometimes an accident can happen, and then people just get scared. No person should be treated like that.
Yeah.
Like just leave it like it's a garbage. That's not okay.
Yeah.
I mean, regardless if it was an accident or whatever happened, listen, we can understand accidents. Even police, we can understand accidents happen.
Yeah.
Was the baby cold when you picked up the baby?
She was warm.
She was warm?
She was warm, but
was she breathing?
Police learned the toddler had last been seen alive days earlier, and that multiple adults were aware the child was unwell.
At all?
I don't know.
Listen, if you don't know how to check, you don't know how to check. And I can understand you're probably in so much of a pain.
And she had pee all over me everywhere and stuff. So that's why I did think
she peed on you, or she already had pee?
She peed on me. That's why I'm saying she had to be breathing if she peed on me. It was already blood.
Yeah. You didn't get any response from her?
No. She was just like...
Does she normally talk? Like sometimes 1-year-olds talk or make noises and stuff? But she was totally unresponsive. Was she limp?
Yes.
Was her body limp? Did you ever hand her to grandma?
No, my mom was driving the whole time, and I just hopped in the back seat with her.
So grandma never even touched her?
No.
So as soon as you told grandma, help, that's when grandma got in the car and you brought her?
Yes, my dad threw her the keys.
So how long do you think you found her? Maybe within seconds you brought her to the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we didn't wait no time. When I seen how she was looking, we didn't wait no time. I jumped in the car with my mama. Gotcha. I got in the back seat. Me and my nephew got in the back seat with the baby, and my mama drove here.
Okay, sweetheart. I just found out this information and talking to her. The other child out there, that's also Charquez.
Right.
When did he drop off that child to you guys?
Was it yesterday?
And when he dropped off that child, was Beautiful with the child? When was the last time you saw Beautiful?
I haven't seen her.
For a while?
Yeah. Because, honestly...
She told me that you guys normally don't care for them.
You're right. They like with him, it's another little boy. I used to keep them.
Conflicting accounts emerge regarding where the child had been staying and who was responsible for supervision.
The 3-year-old.
Yeah.
Once she was born, it really was like, I didn't...
They cut you off for whatever reason.
Pretty much, they're doing their own thing, so...
Hey, we're not gonna have this, all right? We ain't gonna have this. We're not gonna have this.
So...
No, because they're not doing it.
Yes, he did, because I will knock your ass out real quick, Mike. Because I will knock your ass out real quick, Mike.
Listen, do me a favor.
You don't know me. With this cancer working out.
Walk out the door.
I'll knock you the out real quick. I'll knock your leg. That's why I need to leave. Can I leave, please? Now, are we doing this at the house? I will knock fuck out of her. How does she even know what's going on?
She came up here with her sister to make it. I ain't got time for this. Come on, Holly, let's go. Just come to my house. I need to get her the medical examiner.
Please stay home, all right? I'll be there with the medical examiner. Please stay home.
All right, stay out here. Sit down over there on the bench over there to the left or wherever. I don't care where you sit. Don't come back in here.
Okay. Hello. Hi. My name's Hey, how you doing?
So we can come out now?
Yeah, you can come out. Where's the car seat?
Yeah, take a picture of the car seat.
Yeah, I think they're gonna take the car seat.
Yeah.
So the other child, what's the child's name? Sade?
Ciari.
Ciari. Ciari's been here from yesterday, right?
Yeah.
And she hasn't left?
He,
I'm sorry.
No, he's been with me.
Okay.
He's been with me.
I understand. Have you been able to contact your son?
That's what still trying to do it.
Okay.
I don't...
And the child was never inside, right?
No.
Okay. Is Auntie still here?
No.
She
She had to go get her baby. She had to get her baby.
Okay. So can you just explain for us in the medical examiner what happened when you came outside?
Once I came out, I just got the keys and shut up.
Where was the baby?
No, right here. Right
Baby
here.
was in the car seat when you saw the baby.
No, Najee had them picked up by then.
Okay, but where was the car seat?
Right here.
On the chair?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was it facing that direction?
I can't remember. Honestly, I can't. Everything went moving too fast. Once I seen the coloration was, I can't remember.
And the parents haven't been in contact with CRA since the child's been here?
No.
Since yesterday, okay.
No.
So I'm going to tell you what the maternal aunt knows.
Okay.
So apparently,
Tony
and Sharquez knocked on their door this morning.
Okay.
Banged on their door. They answered the door. Tony, Latonian.
Okay.
Medical examiner and Child Protective Services are notified. Focus shifts to determining cause of death and safeguarding the surviving child.
Told her, Sire, what's the name of it? Ciari gave beautiful heroin. She's dead. And then the sister asked, where is she? And they said St. Mary's, that you brought her to St. Mary's. So I'm just making sure that Ciari was nowhere near this beautiful to give her heroin or anything like that.
He was here yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, he was here
But
yesterday.
he spent the night.
Yeah, he spent the night last
And he's
night.
here right now,
He-
right?
He's right
and
now.
he hasn't been with Tone or around beautiful.
I mean, I don't know before then. I mean, he was before then. Yeah,
okay.
before then.
So when did he come here yesterday?
Yesterday. Damn.
I'm sorry.
Was it? Hold on. What time it was? Maybe like 9:30 in the morning. It was in the morning. It was in the morning.
So when they dropped Ciari off, who dropped them off?
Sharquez.
Was Sharquez alone?
Yeah.
What Sharquez say to you?
Nothing. He was, I'm gonna get your grandchild.
Okay. So is that normally what he does? He brings the baby over. How often do you watch?
I watch, like I told you, I don't really watch her.
Yeah, but you
I've
watch
always
Ciari.
been in his life, yes.
Okay.
No, I mean.
So does he normally let the baby spend the night over here? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see if it's something like out of the ordinary.
No, it's not. It's not with him.
So you didn't think anything?
No, I mean it's been my grandchild.
Because
that's why I'm telling you, with the younger one.
Beautiful's been dead for quite a while. So that's what we're trying to figure out.
What do you mean quite a while?
Like maybe more than a day. So we're trying to figure out what happened as a
Medical examiner and Child Protective Services are notified. Focus shifts to determining cause of death and safeguarding the surviving child.
in terms of how this child passed away. I know it's a lot for you. I'm just trying to tell you the information so we can kind of work together to figure out what happened. You understand? So you got CRE at about 9 o'clock yesterday, right? Okay. All right. It's okay, sweetheart.
No, it's not.
I know.
It's not.
Let me call somebody.
I know.
So DCF is going to come as well just to make sure that everything's okay with the other child. I'm really sorry about everything that happened. I know it's very hard. But we trying to figure out what happened just like you guys are trying to figure out what happened, you know? And the other family, too, at the hospital, they didn't know what happened. They just heard that the baby got heroin from Ciari. So they're going in there not knowing what happened either. So that's why I think the issue between you guys happened. Just because a baby's dead and nobody knows what happened. So that's the problem.
Yeah.
But Tanya and Sharquez has not made contact with him, have not come over here, have not spent any time with them here. Okay. And you never brought the baby inside the house. You just brought him straight to your car. What car was it?
It's a red car right here.
Okay.
Had to go.
I know. I just need to make sure for our purpose.
It was not. I looked at her and it was not right.
Yeah, I know.
It wasn't right.
Was her eyes closed when she was?
It had to be.
Okay.
Because when Najee screamed and Najee was holding her, I just seen discoloration.
Yeah. And she told me the lines on her forehead were already there.
What? Najee, it was some lines. Najee was holding her while I was driving.
Yeah.
I couldn't. I'm just trying to get her. I know. I don't know all that.
Do you have any other questions, Jessica? This is Jessica with the medical examiner's office, okay? So what's going to happen to Beautiful is she's going to go to the medical examiner's office, and maybe tomorrow or Monday, the autopsy will be completed, okay? And it's going to take a while for toxicology. That means if any drugs are in her system, it's going to be a little while. In terms of funeral arrangements, since some parents are not under arrest as of yet, they're the ones who are responsible for the funeral arrangements. But now we can't come in contact with them, so I'm not sure how to proceed.
We are trying to get in contact.
I know. And the
we is trying to get.
Yeah, I know. Listen, it's not you guys who did anything wrong. Obviously, they are the ones responsible for what happened, and you know, for whatever reason, they let this baby out here like, you know, it was trash, and that's not right.
They're not arrested. They have 30 days.
Okay.
Bravo, Dennis Bush. He's advised at White Mills Lane.
But the other grandchild is with the maternal aunts. Okay. They dropped them off this morning when they told them about Beautiful. So they probably went somewhere to run because they're scared. That's what I'm thinking. No, you can take it down. That's what I'm thinking. Because they're not
I'm gonna make it worse.
I know. You need to let them know that. If it was an accident, they need to come and talk to me about the accident.
Jesus. She cold. There's nothing else.
You guys did nothing wrong, okay? They're gonna talk with me later. And all that stuff, okay? I'm very, very sorry for your loss. It's gotta be very heartbreaking for you. And I don't know what your son was thinking, but you know, this is Stephanie with UCF, okay? She's gonna talk with you.
Sorry for your loss.
Was that before Dad took you to Grandma's?
No, it was like another morning, like it was like this morning when she when I heard her knock on the door. It was this morning.
Okay. Thank you.
The toddler's parents, Tony Giles and Tarquez Clemens, were both charged in connection with the child's death. Third-degree felony murder, aggravated manslaughter of a child, and child neglect. Both defendants are in custody, awaiting court proceedings with the medical examiner's findings, supporting prosecution and child welfare agencies, overseeing the surviving child's placement. Remember, delaying emergency care for a child in distress can have irreversible consequences and carries serious legal responsibility. Authorities prioritize uncovering timelines, caregiver decisions, and supervision failures when investigating child fatalities. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This is one of the most heartbreaking cases I've ever seen. There were so many chances to get help before it was too late. I'm glad the investigation focused on accountability for the child. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the body cam captures next saves a life pause and comment what you do here. The next incident is when police chase takes a dark turn, when officers find a baby.
Look away from me! Look away from me! Look away from me!
Could have been a simple court date. Do you realize you could have that kid?
On January 13th, 2025, police tried conducting a vehicle pursuit. The pursuit begins, and units move to intercept a gray Honda sedan near the raceway. And what happens next shocks officers. A man crashed his car, endangering a baby's life.
I'm coming up to the interstate, 118.
Perfect.
164. Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle! And Nora 64, it's gonna be on a gray Honda sedan. We're in front of the raceway. They tried taking off on me and then they 1031. Do not move! Go ahead and give me traffic. I've got them at gunpoint until I get another unit here. Go ahead. Hey, we'll get the passenger out first.
Passenger, stick both hands out of your window now. Step out to the sound of my voice right now. Look away from me. Look away from me. Look away from me. Look away from me! Lift your shirt up and spin around. Spin, 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 spin. Come back to the sound of my voice. Hands up. Back, 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 back. Interlock your fingers on your head. Interlock your fingers on your head. Get on your feet. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get up. Get up. Get up. I don't care. Get in my car. Sit down. You want to call him out?
Driver! Open your door. Hands up. Hands up. Out the door. Hands up. Step out. Face away from me. Step out. Face away from me. Come backwards to the sound of my voice. Back, 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 back. Lift your shirt up. Turn around. Turn around, all the way around. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back, walk back. Stop. Get on your knees. Lay on your stomach.
During the stop, officers discover a baby in the vehicle. Priority shifts to removing and checking the child.
Is there anybody else in the vehicle? Huh? Your baby? Are you kidding me?
Baby, roll your side. Roll your side. Just tuck your feet underneath of you. Stand up.
We're gonna clear this car really quick. If you can stick him in the back of mine.
Yep. He's got a bunch of shit on him. I'm gonna clear him first. All right, come on. Hey, I like your car.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. All right.
Okay, you good?
Hi.
Deputies discuss the pursuit speed reported up to 117 mph and note dangerous driving in wet conditions that led to the vehicle leaving the roadway.
What's your name, bud? Oh, look at all that snot you got coming out your nose.
You can clear traffic. If I can have EMS en route, I'm not sure on any injuries. Everybody looks 10-4, but there was a baby 10-12 in the vehicle. You okay, buddy? You okay? Yeah, I hadn't even caught up to him, and then I saw he 1031 in this ditch right here.
Is that what he did?
Oh, right here, yeah. Go ahead. .34. They're gonna be 10-15 for fleeing to elude.
Hi, buddy. How are you? So did he try to swerve in here and smoke that?
Yeah, he tried to make a right into here. But he went off road.
Yeah.
Because he was going too fast and it's raining. Can you sit with him? I'm gonna read him Miranda.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
What? Is this? What? This?
Yeah.
All right. There you go.
Hey there, Deputy Robbins, San County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Let me read you something. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand those rights? I've read them to you. Okay. What is going on, man? Huh? Why'd you run? Huh? Do you have a valid license? You don't have a valid license, so you ran for not having a valid license. That's the only reason. You're gonna put yourself, her, in jeopardy because you don't have a valid license.
Officers identify possible reasons for fleeing no valid license and emphasize the risk posed by having a child in the car during the chase.
Could have been a simple court date. Do you realize you could have killed that kid? 164. You were at 117 miles an hour. I flipped around on you when you were doing 80. Turned my lights on and you sped up. You were doing 117 miles an hour. You couldn't stop in time because you went through this ditch because it was raining. There's a kid in the car, man. You could have killed him.
Oh. Yeah, everything's clear. Yeah. There's a little one in here. So Jay said they went to turn in. You can see where they ran down the side of the ditch over there and smoked the whole front end of the car. I don't know what they were doing. He was in the apprehension phase, and he said he clocked him at 118 once he turned around.
What's up, dude? Hey, let's get something to wipe your face off with. Yeah, you got boogers all over you. Here, let me see.
Are you okay? Do you need EMS to look at you? You're good? All right.
You sure there's a kid in the vehicle?
Yeah. He was going so fast that he tried to make a right turn into here, and he went right here through the damn ditch before I even caught up to him. I was still way down there trying to catch up to him. He was doing 80. I flipped around on him. He saw my lights, and he doesn't have a valid license. That's
too fast for the distance. Good. Why? How's the kid?
He looks okay. He's got snot hanging from him, but he seems okay. Ma'am, are you okay?
Yes.
You're okay? Do you need an ambulance to look at you? You don't have any injury? Is that your child? Why did he run?
He was running from you?
Yeah.
I was eating me some hamburger helper.
He was doing, I flipped around on him at 80. He was doing 80, and he saw my lights, and then he decided he was going to take off on me at 117 miles an hour. That's what.
Deputies find a small, baggy, green, leafy substance in the vehicle. Arrest processing for the driver is discussed.
Why you guys went airborne right here? You went through this ditch.
I was wondering why he had went through there.
Because he was trying to run from me. There's a kid in the car, man. He could have killed all of y'all for no reason, because he doesn't have a valid license. That's the only reason he ran. You have any ID on you?
Deputy Smith has something for you. Oh, good thing I wore these shoes today.
That's yours if you want him. You want him? Well, it's yours. You gotta give him the name. You gotta give him the name.
You have any guns or anything on you? Are there any guns in the vehicle? All right, man, go ahead and have a seat.
Sorry, Jerry, I was coming.
Oh, you're good, man. I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that at all. I just, and I was in the apprehension phase, man. I was trying to get up to him, and then
Well, he pretty much did this on his own.
He did.
That's what it
for
sounded
sure.
like to me. So he started taking off before you even lit him up.
Right. He was already doing 80, and then
Loosen them. I checked. I can fit my fingers through them. They're not meant to be comfortable. You don't have anything on you illegal that's going to get you in trouble, do you?
No.
No? Okay. All right, just sit tight.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
You got a bag?
Yeah. Well, little man is her nephew. I don't know what the relationship is.
He said it's his son. I thought I turned our phones off. Is it still on?
Excuse me, what's going to happen?
You're going to jail for fleeing to elude, reckless driving. She's probably going to be...
Officers explain the arrest reasons to the driver attempting to elude reckless driving, driving without valid license, and child endangerment. EMS tends to the child and caregiver. Pickup is arranged.
Be able to go home. Is that your kid?
No, sir.
It's not your kid?
No, sir.
No.
Y'all need you want to go into jail? Check
Yeah, maybe. We'll worry about the little one first. Got a little corner baggie of a green leafy substance.
So he's going to jail for fleeing and eluding and being a
Reckless driving and probably DWLS.
With a child in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll hit him with, child endangerment. Okay?
All right. Sounds good.
Hey, under the driver's seat, there's a corner baggie of weed. I'm just gonna rip it out real quick, just to let you know. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man!
Hey, Josh, after you're done with that, you can undetain her.
Okay. Was she held against her will?
No.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
I don't know her number.
You don't know her number?
By heart.
It's in your phone? Okay. Alright, hey, EMS is gonna check you out real quick, okay? Alright. Talk to this lady right here, okay?
Is she released or what?
Huh?
Is she released?
Yeah, I guess so. For Kern and Jerry. Yeah.
The vehicle is described as totaled. The child is in custody of a responsible adult pending follow-up, and the driver is taken into custody for booking.
He just said undetain her.
All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Hey, this is Deputy Villar with the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office, all right? Hey, how long is it going to take you to come get your child?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you at? Okay, well, you're going to have to leave work and come get your little one, okay?
All right, what's going on?
Well, she's already explained it to you. So, do you own a Honda Accord?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, not anymore because it's totaled out. You're going to have to come get your car and get your kid, okay?
Driver was charged with fleeing, attempting to elude law enforcement, reckless driving, driving without a valid license. DWLS, DWLI, child endangerment, and possession of a small amount of marijuana, charges referred to the prosecutor for formal filing, driver to appear in court for traffic endangerment, and drug-related counts, child welfare/EMS follow-up for the infant, and temporary placement determined by responding agencies. Remember, high-speed attempts to evade police put everyone, especially children, at grave risk. The legal and human consequences are severe. If you see a dangerous situation involving a child, call authorities immediately, rather than taking actions that could escalate risk. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Unbelievable someone almost killed that baby to avoid a ticket. Thankful the officers found the child quickly and got EMS involved. This shows how one bad decision running can ruin multiple lives. Everyone thought it was too late, until the body cam shows the exact second officers step in. Did you predict that rescue?
Wrong way.
You gotta, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Leave me alone. Let me go.
On May 22, 2023, officers respond to a high school after a suspended 19-year-old student refuses to leave campus despite multiple directives.
Thank you. If you go anywhere besides the front office, well, I am. So let's go. Come on, man. He needs to go off campus. Wrong way.
You gotta, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Go this way.
He's asking you, don't make it worse than what it needs to be. You gotta leave campus.
You have to
first.
leave campus.
You can't be on campus.
Be honest.
Calm down. Stop. Relax.
Stop.
Relax. We just need you to exit campus. That's it. So we can walk with you to campus, like off campus. Come on. Don't do this. You're making it worse than what it needs to be. Stop.
Stop.
Relax.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Making it worse.
Go to that corner. Stop.
You just need to exit campus. That's all we're asking you to do.
Leave me alone. Back up. No, leave me alone.
Now you pushing. You can't be pushing on.
Leave me alone. I just want to go. Leave me alone.
Officers warn that refusal to leave will result in trespassing charges. The student continues resisting verbal commands.
Don't touch me.
Stop. Stay down. Stop.
Bitch, don't.
All you need to do is put your hands like we asked. We asked nicely.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me go.
Yeah, all we need to do is you to walk. That's it.
Let me.
If you want to walk,
Either that or trespassing. Which one you want?
Let me go.
You're not gonna win.
Back up.
Stop.
you gotta get off campus.
Leave me alone.
Relax. We're doing too much. You're upset at the wrong people.
What do you mean?
You're
Excuse
Don't touch me!
Grab that one arm. There you go.
I'll go.
No!
No, because we asked that, baby.
School administrators explained the suspension stemmed from a prior smoking incident and that she was explicitly told not to return.
No, you're not.
Who just hit me?
Go for 2.
No one hit you.
Who just hit me?
No one hit you.
Who's saying one?
Ah, it's shit tight, man.
Go for 2.
Come on. Can you open that door?
Don't let me go, man. Come on down, girl. Don't let me go.
So just to give you a rundown,
Get the one from Bama.
this is one of the ones from the smoking incident.
I was just smoking. Put
Our
my
horn
hoodie up.
the next day when she showed up here. Mm-hmm.
Pull my
So we
hoodie
gave
up.
her, she's
Pull
on
my
campus
hoodie up.
to finish her stuff. Ms.
That's what I was coming
Smith
to do
said
today.
that there was nothing to get completed.
Can you let
So
me?
we gave her the opportunity once more to leave campus. Did not want to leave campus. Finally got her out of Miss Owen's room, started walking towards the front door, decided to take a detour. Grabbed her by her arm. She's like, I was like, no, you're going the wrong way. Let me go, and started pulling away from me. And now we're here.
So, this is really not about us.
Mm-hmm.
This is about graduation.
Mm-hmm.
So it's projected at the wrong place.
Exactly. Besides the fact that her actions led up to this.
The student pulls away when an officer grabs her arm to redirect her toward the exit.
Huh? He needs to log in first. She's supposed to be off campus. And she was refusing to leave campus at first. Then she said that she was gonna walk. And then when I told her, go to the front door, anywhere less, you're gonna get arrested. So when she went to the front door, coming down from the cafeteria towards the front door, then she wanted to go towards the patio. And then that's why I grabbed her. I was like, no, we're going the wrong way. And then went to grab her by the arm. She pulled away, and then that's how she ended up in cuffs. Is this the one? Yep.
Physical resistance escalates. Officers place the student in handcuffs.
I don't know. I know her mom just had a kid. So she has senior privilege. She only has 3 classes. She has a first period and a third period. So what I explained to her last week was, since you're a senior, we're just waiting on test scores. If whatever event took place, all of them got the same consequence. You're not doing that because we're done. I told her I would contact her to let her know if she passed her SAT, to let her know if she needed to come today to take hers. I let her know that she did not pass SAT, so she did not need to come. So when I saw her, she just ignored me, walked past me. Babiana, I tried to slow her down, kept walking past me. Got to Miss Kennedy. Miss Kennedy knows as well, tried to stop her. Didn't adhere to her direction. So that's when I called the
Unit 12 to Unit 2.
We walked through the main office, go for 2. She was not up here, so I went to her third period class. She was sitting in her third period class. Called her 2-3 times, Deviana. Miss Owen said, just listen, go ahead. Sit, listen over. Goodson tried to talk to her. Nothing. And then when he said, you gonna walk out in handcuffs, or you gonna walk out by yourself, she got up, took the right out of Owen's class. Go ahead for 2. Go ahead.
Administrators clarify she had no academic reason to be on campus, and all makeup work could be done online.
Number 2.
Took the right out of Owen's class.
Can you go to channel 2?
And then that's when that took place. Go ahead. There's nothing for her to make up. She has intensive reading. She has my math class, which has a sub. And she has Miss Owen's class. She came on campus the next day after the incident happened. I wasn't here, but I was told that that was an issue. People were chasing her around.
You were supposed to be here to begin with.
I came back to get my paper that next day.
What
Today,
paper?
my referral paper. Today, Ms. Hoffman said I could come back and make up my work. Look at my teams. Ms. Hoffman said I could come back and make up my work today. I have the messages to prove it.
You ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? Ms. Hoffman is a teacher. I am an assistant principal. Dean Magna is a dean. We had communicated to you that you were expected not to come back. I communicated that to you. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I communicated to your mom. Via email and on the phone. So Ms. Hoffman cannot supersede what the administrators have already told you. Whatever makeup work you need to, that's not important. Yes. Whatever makeup work you need to do, everything done online.
It's not online, that's the thing.
It's not a brand,
It's not on campus. I did argue with her. She thought I didn't want to do that.
Class is over. Class is over. I explained that to you last week.
Officers explain that refusal to leave after notice qualifies as trespassing, regardless of intent.
Number 2.
Took the right out of Owen's class.
Can you go to channel 2?
And then that's when that took place. Go ahead. There's nothing for her to make up. She has intensive reading. She has my math class, which has a sub. And she has Miss Owen's class. She came on campus the next day after the incident happened. I wasn't here, but I was told that that was an issue. People were chasing her around.
You were supposed to be here to begin with.
I came back to get my paper that next day.
What
Today,
paper?
my referral paper. Today, Ms. Hoffman said I could come back and make up my work. Look at my teams. Ms. Hoffman said I could come back and make up my work today. I have the messages to prove it.
You ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? Ms. Hoffman is a teacher. I am an assistant principal. Dean Magna is a dean. We had communicated to you that you were expected not to come back. I communicated that to you. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I communicated to your mom. Via email and on the phone. So Ms. Hoffman cannot supersede what the administrators have already told you. Whatever makeup work you need to, that's not important. Yes. Whatever makeup work you need to do, everything done online.
It's not online, that's the thing.
It's not a brand,
It's not on campus. I did argue with her. She thought I didn't want to do that.
Class is over. Class is over. I explained that to you last week.
Misdiagnosed, to be honest. It's very misdiagnosed.
Regardless, this is not twice.
time, she wouldn't be sitting in handcuffs right now.
Mm-hmm.
So this is 100% on you when you're an adult. So what? I don't know what you expected to happen. Law enforcement and the school told you you cannot be here. You have to leave. And you chose not to exit the school. You chose to pull away from a law enforcement deputy that was trying to escort you out of this. Again, because the whole purpose was to avoid you getting in trouble. Just to have you leave so you don't get in trouble. And you escalated the situation to where you're in handcuffs right now. You're a grown adult. You should know better by now.
Everybody got the same consequence. Everybody that was in the room got the same consequence. So it's not like we did anything different for her.
Just like I told the other kids that were in that room. They weren't in there and didn't know that somebody was smoking. There's no way you could not know. The whole room was full of smoke. You came down to the hallway 10 minutes after they walked out, and the room was still full of smoke. So, and you're not supposed to be in there. So you're out of area doing what you're not supposed to be doing as an adult on the school campus. As an adult. Like that's, I don't understand where the confusion is. How old are you again? I'm 19 years old. You're a grown adult, young lady.
Okay.
The student continues arguing while being escorted out, insisting the situation was unfair.
Y'all did not drug test me.
Since when does a school drug test students?
You ain't know that?
Schools don't drug test students.
Well, students that get drug tested are they're on probation.
Y'all just not get tested. But y'all like I was
I've been here for 3 years. He's been working this for like 9.
But like I said, y'all, my mom said y'all couldn't drug test me because y'all got suspended.
Well, you were suspended, but did you get drug tested?
No.
Okay. So the drug testing is
So what was the point of suspending me?
Because you're out of area.
Y'all could have just told me that.
You knew that. That's what the suspension was for, out of area.
Y'all give me an honest answer.
About what?
Y'all think she's gonna be mad?
Who?
My mom.
155. You're saying mom sent you to school?
Go ahead, sir.
Go ahead, sir. She didn't send you?
Call me, please.
10-4.
10-4.
But didn't say I could come back. I just now got the message of you not passing.
I think that where the issue lies is, and this is going forward for the rest of your life, right? If someone who's a representative of an establishment says you need to leave, you're not allowed to be here, and you choose not to go when they tell you to leave, then that still applies for trespassing, because your invitation there has been revoked. So even if so even if she said, come on back today, and then you got here and she goes, nope, never mind, you don't need to take this test, you need to leave now, you have to go.
What did you do anyway? What, she got a warrant?
She
got a warrant?
No, trespassing and resisting without.
Wait, she go here? She go. What you, they say you're an adult. Shit, how many times you stay back?
19, she went to DJJ, so.
I was saying DJJ.
Say you went to, not DJJ, I'm sorry.
That's the 272-316, 1065.
I just stay back in the kindergarten.
Only got to go to jail.
Come on now, let's just go. You can get my little dad. Yeah, you ain't got to do that yet.
Girl, you was just all sweet on the phone with your mama. Now you want to sell out again. Chill out.
This is a different person. My ear. My ear.
You say one more thing, you walking out with them braids showing. I swear. I swear you gonna walk out with them braids showing.
The 19-year-old suspended student was charged with trespassing on school property after refusing to leave campus. She was additionally charged with resisting an officer without violence for pulling away during the escort. Remember, ignoring lawful orders from school officials and police can quickly escalate minor issues into criminal charges. Once permission to remain on campus is revoked, refusal to leave can legally become trespassing. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This could have ended in 5 minutes if she just walked out. Being 19 means school rules don't protect you anymore. So unnecessary pride made everything worse. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content.